Hi guys, welcome to the Twins Hangout Show with me, Maren,
and I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so today we are wearing our head wraps because we've decided to confuse some people.
Yeah, and for those of you who know how to differentiate us, well, good for you, Abego. Good for you.
Yeah. So today we are going to be talking about the things twins lie about. And guys, really, you people, you know, we normally do these videos, and it's because we want to show you out to show you,
just shed light into the twin world, or something.
Right.
If I can say the twin world, right?
Twin world, twin life.
Yeah,
we just want to share that experience with you.
Because I bet even if most of you have met us, we are not going to be the only twins you meet. You're going to meet other twins, and these things that we usually say on our channel here, you can use them, you can apply them on other twins when you meet them out there, you know. So yeah,
so today we are talking about the things twins lie about. And before we get into this video, I just want to quickly kindly ask you to subscribe if you haven't, and also remember to like this video, and also turn on your notification button so that you can know when we are posting our next video.
And also please leave a comment so that you can know you are here. Don't be a silent watcher, or don't hide behind the screen, okay?
Yeah, leave a comment. It won't cost you a thing.
Yeah, man, don't be a stranger, man. That's how we know you are here, okay?
Right.
Yeah.
So the first thing twins lie about, I can say for sure, is using the same toothbrush, right? So in our case, I can say, okay, it's not all the time, or it's not every day, but it's not strange for us to use the same toothbrush. And this especially happens when let's say we have traveled, and you know, when
one of us has forgotten her toothbrush. Yeah. So yeah, we
can share a toothbrush, and it's not strange for us.
And I bet not even our mother knows this, because like when people find out, they think it's like a weird or awkward.
And maybe it can be.
But I mean, this is my twin, and I don't, you know, even if sometimes it feels like, girl, go get your toothbrush. I'm like, but I don't mind sharing mine, you know. Yeah.
Another thing twins lie about is okay, this is really, I'm feeling vulnerable. Okay, another thing twins lie about is showering together. Yeah,
it's not again, this doesn't happen often, but when we travel and we're running short of time, and the only way we can save time is by showering together. Of course we shower together, because like what I have, she has the same, you know. We are not used to.
It's not strange for us. We even dress in the same room, so
yeah, dressing in the same room and showering together is two different things.
Yeah. But anyway, that is something twins lie about. That for us, we normally do. But anyway,
it can be awkward sometimes, but most times you just get used to it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So we don't normally talk about it, but when you're asked, not always are you always honest about it. Right.
Yeah.
So the other thing we normally lie about is sleeping together. Although this one we don't lie often, but there are twins who lie about sleeping together. But
I don't know why other twins find it embarrassing to still sleep together
and you're doing it.
Yeah, when you're this old, but like
for us,
she's like my teddy bear or my good luck. Like when she sleeps next to me, I feel good, I feel safe. You know, so like for us, we just used to doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's very normal. Another thing twins lie about is identity. Okay, let me explain it this way. So like for instance, in our case, Maureen and I share a phone. So for example, if let's say a text message comes through and specifically needs Maureen or Maren to respond to it, and let's say maybe one is not around, is not close, maybe has gone outside for something or something like that, so Maureen will answer the text as if she's me, and then when I come back, I'll tell her, I mean she'll tell me,
where I'm at, and then she
I'll
takes over
continue
the
with the
conversation. And another instance where we lie about our, it's not per se intentionally lying about our identity.
I guess you could call it covering up.
Covering up for the other person.
To the opposite person who's speaking to you, the other end, that's a lie.
They'll take it as a lie.
Yeah.
But anyway, another instance where we lie about our identity is, for example, like when you go to talk to friends, right? And then one of them calls me by Maren's name, like Maren, and then I won't stop them and correct them that I'm Maureen. I'll just continue to listen to know what they want, and then niwajibu, I answer them back, because sometimes I usually find like it's a lot of work to stop them and start explaining that I'm not Maureen, I'm not Maren, I'm Maureen, and this is our difference. I usually find it like it's a long process, so I just go along with it. And by my book, that is not lying, it's just covering up, not even omitting, just covering up, as in saving you time and saving myself time, So yeah, but you as the other party, you'll see like I'm a deceitful person, but it's not intentional. Yeah.
So the final point that the final point, according to our book, that twins lie about a lot often, is the fact that we do still share undergarments. Yeah, I know it's embarrassing, but not for us.
No, it's not embarrassing. Like, what's embarrassing about that?
Making it publicly known.
Yes.
Anyway, we still share undergarments. Like, we have the same body type.
Yeah, and then
just say it. You already
started. If her bra is accessible, I mean, why should I bother myself looking for mine? And I can see hers is there.
Yeah. So that is another thing twins lie about. Even boys, I know for a fact.
But me, for a fact, I've lied to someone about this, and like that
because
person, that person straight up asked me if we share, pants, and then I said no. But I later regret. I felt guilty, and then we confessed it to her that we don't share these things.
Right, but that is not something you tell people in public just because it's a personal topic. Yeah, so those are the things twins lie about. If you know
just
any more,
some of the things, but
if you're a twin and you know something that you have left out, please comment down below.
And also, if you're a friend to twins and you think we've left something out, you can also comment down below.
So remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe for those who haven't. Please subscribe. It literally won't cost you anything. And also turn the notification button so that you know when we're posting our next video.
Bye.
Bye.